transmission from our antenna on the Montreal at the frequency of 162.550 megahertz.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Quebec at 3:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, November 15th, 2020. A wind warning is continued for Richelieu, Valley, Saint-Hyacinthe.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour Québec à 15h34, heure normale de l'Est, le dimanche 15 novembre 2020. Un avertissement de vent est maintenu pour Vallée du Richelieu, Saint-Hyacinthe.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 4 p.m. Sunday, November 15th. Forecast for Montreal and suburbs for tonight, rain ending near midnight, then cloudy with 40% chance of showers. Winds southeast 30 kilometers per hour, gusting to 50, becoming southwest 40, gusting to 60 near midnight. Low +5. For Monday, showers. Winds southwest 40 kilometers per hour, gusting to 70. High 7. For Monday night, rain showers, changing to a few flurries overnight. Winds west 40 kilometers per hour, gusting to 60, diminishing to 20, gusting to 40 late in the evening. Low -2. For tonight, air quality good. For Monday, air quality good. The outlook, Tuesday, increasing cloudiness. High +1. For Tuesday night, cloudy periods. Low -8. For Wednesday, sunny. High -4. For Wednesday night, increasing cloudiness. Low -7. For Thursday, cloudy. High 7. For Thursday night, cloudy with 70% chance of showers. Low +2. For Friday, a mix of sun and cloud. High 7. For Friday night, cloudy periods. Low +2. For Saturday, cloudy with 40% chance of showers. High 6. Normals for the period, low -2, high +5. Forecast for the Laurentides tonight, periods of rain. Rain mixed with snow early this evening. Rainfall amount 10 to 20 millimeters. Winds southeast 30 kilometers per hour, gusting to 50, becoming southwest 30, gusting to 50 near midnight. Low +1. For Monday, rain showers and flurries. Rainfall amount 5 millimeters. Wind southwest 30 kilometers per hour, gusting to 60. High +4. For Monday night, a few rain showers, changing to a few flurries in the evening. Wind southwest 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40, becoming light late in the evening. Low -9, wind chill -12 overnight. Today, air quality good. For tonight, air quality good. For Monday, air quality good. The outlook, Tuesday, increasing cloudiness. High -2. For Tuesday night, cloudy periods. Low -12. For Wednesday, sunny. High -7. For Wednesday night, increasing cloudiness. Low -13. For Thursday, cloudy with 40% chance of flurries. High +2. For Thursday night, rain or snow. Low 0. For Friday, a mix of sun and cloud with 30% chance of showers. High 6. For Friday night, cloudy with 60% chance of flurries. Low -1. For Saturday, snow flurries or rain showers. High +4. Normals for the period, low -6, high +2. Forecast for Saint-Hyacinthe, wind warning in effect. For tonight, rain ending near midnight, then cloudy with 40% chance of showers. Wind south 60 kilometers per hour, gusting to 90, becoming southwest 30, gusting to 60 this evening. Low +5. For Monday, showers. Wind southwest 40 kilometers per hour, gusting to 70. High 7. For Monday night, rain showers, changing to a few flurries overnight. Wind southwest 30 kilometers per hour, gusting to 50. Low -2. For today, air quality good. For tonight, air quality good. For Monday, air quality, good. The outlook, Tuesday, a mix of sun and cloud. High +1. For Tuesday night, cloudy periods. Low -8. For Wednesday, sunny. High -4. For Wednesday night, cloudy periods. Low -9. For Thursday, cloudy. High +3. For Thursday night, cloudy with 70% chance of rain showers or flurries. Low +1. For Friday, a mix of sun and cloud. High 8. For Friday night, cloudy periods. Low +2. For Saturday, cloudy with 30% chance of showers. High 7. Normals for the period, low -2, high +5. The Environment Canada forecast issued at 3 p.m. Sunday, November 15th, for tonight and Monday. Marine forecast from Cornwall to Montreal, gale warning in effect. Winds southeast 20 to 30 knots, increasing to southwest 30 to 40 this evening, then diminishing to southwest 15 to 25 Monday evening. Rain ending overnight. Showers Monday. Marine forecast from Montreal to Trois-Rivières, gale warning in effect. Winds easterly 15 to 25 knots, increasing to southeasterly 25 to 35 this evening, then veering to southwest 25 to 35 near midnight. Winds diminishing to southwest 15 to 25 Monday evening. Rain changing to showers Monday morning. Weather conditions at 6 p.m. Montreal Dorval, rain, temperature 6, wind south-southeast 39, gusting to 55 kilometers per hour, barometric pressure 100.1 kilopascals and falling. Relative humidity 77%. Mirabel, temperature 5, wind southeast 25, gusting to 46 kilometers per hour. Saint-Jean, temperature 5, wind south-southeast 45, gusting to 68 kilometers per hour. Huntingdon, temperature 9, wind south-southeast 19, gusting to 28 kilometers per hour.